Leadership and team management. Leadership styles and their application. Effective leadership plays a crucial role in achieving organizational goals and managing teams effectively. Leadership styles are the different approaches and behaviors that leaders adopt to influence and motivate their team members. In this tutorial, we will explore various leadership styles and their applications in the context of leadership and team management. 1. Autocratic leadership style. Autocratic leadership style is characterized by a leader who makes decisions without involving their team members. This style is most suitable in situations where quick and decisive action is required. However, it can lead to low team morale and limited creativity. An example of when this style may be used is in a crisis situation where immediate action is needed. 2. Democratic leadership style. Democratic leadership style involves leaders who actively seek and consider input from their team members before making decisions. This style promotes collaboration, creativity, and shared responsibility. It is most effective when team members have knowledge and expertise in their areas of work. For example, this style may be used to develop new product ideas or solve complex problems as a team. 3. Laissez-faire leadership style. Laissez-faire leadership style is characterized by leaders who have minimal involvement or direction in decision-making. They provide freedom and autonomy to their team members to make decisions and execute tasks. This style is effective when team members are highly skilled and self-motivated. However, it can lead to a lack of structure and accountability if not properly managed. It may be suitable in creative industries where creativity and autonomy are valued. 4. Transformational leadership style. Transformational leadership style focuses on inspiring and motivating team members to achieve their full potential. These leaders set high expectations, provide support, and empower their team members to take ownership of their work. They create a positive and engaging work environment where individuals are motivated to exceed expectations. This style is effective in situations requiring innovation, change management, and long-term organizational success. 5. Transactional leadership style. Transactional leadership style is based on the exchange of rewards and punishments to motivate team members. Leaders set clear expectations and provide rewards for meeting or exceeding them while also implementing consequences for poor performance. This style works well in situations where tasks are well defined and the focus is on achieving specific outcomes. It can provide structure and clarity, but may not encourage innovation and long-term growth. In conclusion, effective leadership requires understanding different leadership styles and their appropriate applications. By adopting the right leadership style for specific situations, leaders can maximize team productivity, motivation, and overall success. It is important for leaders to be flexible and adaptable, combining various styles as needed and considering the unique characteristics of their team members. Remember, leadership is not about being rigidly stuck to one style, but rather understanding when and how to employ different styles to bring out the best in individuals and teams. Motivating and empowering team members. Motivating and empowering team members is a crucial aspect of effective leadership and team management. When team members are motivated and empowered, they are more engaged, productive, and invested in the success of the team. In this tutorial, we will explore various strategies and techniques that leaders can use to motivate and empower their team members. Setting clear expectations. One of the first steps in motivating and empowering team members is to set clear expectations. Clearly communicate the vision, goals, and objectives of the team to ensure that everyone understands what is expected of them. This clarity helps team members to stay focused and motivated, knowing exactly what they are working towards. Recognizing individual contributions. Recognizing and acknowledging the individual contributions of team members is a powerful motivator. Everyone likes to be recognized for their efforts and achievements. Leaders can motivate team members by highlighting and appreciating their unique skills and contributions. This can be done through public recognition, rewards, or even a simple thank you note. Providing opportunities for growth. Empowering team members involves providing them with opportunities for growth and development. Leaders should encourage team members to take on new challenges, acquire new skills, and explore different roles within the team. This not only helps team members to develop personally and professionally, but also empowers them to take ownership of their work and contribute to the team in a meaningful way. Effective communication and feedback. Open and effective communication is essential for motivation and empowerment. Leaders should create an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas. Regularly scheduled team meetings and one-on-one sessions can provide opportunities for team members to express their concerns, seek feedback, and collaborate effectively. Additionally, providing constructive feedback and recognition for accomplishments helps to nurture a positive and empowering work culture. Creating a supportive and inclusive environment. Fostering a supportive and inclusive environment is another key aspect of motivating and empowering team members. Leaders should encourage teamwork, collaboration, and mutual respect among team members. Encouraging diversity of thought and creating opportunities for everyone to contribute and be heard helps to build trust and empower team members to take ownership of their work. Promoting work-life balance. Recognizing the importance of work-life balance is essential for team motivation and empowerment. Leaders should promote a healthy work-life balance by encouraging team members to take breaks, maintain a manageable workload, and prioritize their well-being. When team members feel supported in achieving balance, they are more likely to be motivated, engaged, and productive. Celebrating successes. Celebrating successes, both big and small, is important for team motivation and empowerment. Leaders should recognize and celebrate team achievements to boost morale and foster a sense of accomplishment. Celebration can be in the form of team events, rewards, or even simple gestures like a team lunch or outing. In conclusion, motivating and empowering team members is a crucial aspect of effective leadership and team management. By setting clear expectations, recognizing individual contributions, providing opportunities for growth, maintaining effective communication, creating a supportive and inclusive environment, promoting work-life balance, and celebrating successes, leaders can create a motivated and empowered team. Embracing these strategies can lead to increased productivity, engagement, and overall success for both the team and the organization. Effective communication and conflict resolution. In any leadership position, effective communication and conflict resolution are integral skills for creating a positive work environment, fostering productivity, and building strong relationships within a team. In this tutorial, we will explore practical strategies and techniques to enhance communication and resolve conflicts effectively, all while maintaining a focus on strong leadership and team management. Understanding the importance of effective communication. 1. Importance of communication in leadership and team management. How effective communication impacts team performance. The role of communication in building trust and fostering collaboration. Common communication challenges faced by leaders and team members. 2. Active listening. The importance of active listening as a core communication skill. Techniques to develop active listening skills. Overcoming barriers to active listening. Developing effective communication skills. 1. Clarity and openness in communication. Importance of clarity in conveying messages. Techniques to ensure clarity and avoid misunderstandings. Encouraging open and honest communication within the team. 2. Nonverbal communication. Understanding the significance of nonverbal cues in body language. How to interpret and utilize nonverbal cues in communication. Cultivating positive nonverbal communication skills. 3. Effective written communication. Essentials of effective written communication in a leadership capacity. Tips for writing clear, concise, and professional emails, memos, and reports. Utilizing written communication to ensure team alignment and accountability. Resolving conflicts effectively. 1. Understanding conflict. Differentiating between functional and dysfunctional conflicts. Recognizing the root causes of conflicts within a team. The impact of unresolved conflicts on team dynamics. 2. Conflict resolution strategies. Collaborative problem-solving techniques to resolve conflicts. encouraging open dialogue and active participation in conflict resolution. The role of empathy and understanding in resolving conflicts. 3. Mediation and facilitation. Techniques for mediating conflicts between team members. The role of a facilitator in managing team discussions and conflicts. Creating a supportive and constructive environment for conflict resolution. 4. Emotional intelligence in conflict resolution. Utilizing emotional intelligence to navigate conflicts effectively. Strategies for managing emotions during conflict resolution. Building emotional intelligence within the team to prevent conflicts. In effective leadership and team management, effective communication and conflict resolution skills play a crucial role. By implementing the strategies and techniques discussed in this tutorial, leaders can foster a positive work environment, build strong relationships, and enhance team performance. Continuously improving these skills will not only benefit the leader, but also positively influence team dynamics and overall organizational success. Remember that effective communication and conflict resolution are ongoing processes that require practice, patience, and continuous learning. By incorporating these skills into your leadership toolkit, you will be better equipped to handle challenges, build strong teams, and create a positive work environment. Building high-performing teams. Developing a strong and effective team is one of the key responsibilities of a leader in any organization. High-performing teams are essential for achieving collective goals, fostering innovation, and driving success. In this tutorial, we will explore various strategies and techniques that leaders can employ to build and nurture high-performing teams. 1. Establishing a clear vision and goals. The first step in building a high-performing team is to establish a clear vision and goals. A leader must communicate the organization's mission, values, and objectives to the team members. This will help create a shared purpose and align individual efforts with the overall team goals. By setting clear expectations and objectives, leaders can provide a sense of direction and motivation to the team. 2. Creating a culture of trust and collaboration. Trust and collaboration are crucial for team success. Leaders should foster an environment where team members feel safe to express their opinions, ideas, and concerns without fear of judgment or reprisal. They should encourage open communication, active listening, and respect for diverse perspectives. Building strong relationships and promoting a culture of trust will enhance team morale and cohesion. 3. Building a diverse and complementary team. A high-performing team consists of individuals with diverse skills, backgrounds, and perspectives. Leaders need to carefully select team members who bring different strengths and expertise to the table. By ensuring a complementary mix of skills, leaders can promote collaboration and innovation. Embracing diversity also fosters creativity and problem-solving within the team. 4. Empowering and developing team members. To build a high-performing team, leaders should empower team members by distributing responsibilities and authority. This autonomy motivates individuals and enables them to take ownership of their work. Leaders should also provide opportunities for professional development and growth, such as training programs, mentoring relationships, and challenging assignments. Empowered and continuously developing team members contribute to the team's overall success. 5. Promoting effective team communication. Effective communication is essential for team collaboration and coordination. Leaders must establish clear channels of communication within the team. Regular team meetings, project updates, and feedback sessions help in sharing information, clarifying expectations, and resolving conflicts. It is also crucial for leaders to communicate the team's progress and accomplishments to stakeholders and other teams within the organization. 6. Encouraging innovation and creativity. High-performing teams thrive on innovation and creativity. Leaders should foster a culture that encourages team members to think outside the box, challenge the status quo, and propose new ideas. Providing an environment that supports risk-taking, learning from failures, and embracing change will drive innovation within the team. 7. Recognizing and rewarding team achievements. Celebrating team achievements is vital for building morale and motivation. Leaders should regularly acknowledge and appreciate the efforts and successes of team members. Recognizing individual and collective accomplishments not only boosts team morale, but also reinforces a culture of excellence and high performance. In conclusion, building high-performing teams requires strong leadership, effective communication, and a commitment to fostering a positive team culture. By establishing a clear vision, promoting trust and collaboration, empowering team members, encouraging innovation, and acknowledging achievements, leaders can create a team that consistently delivers exceptional results. It is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and adaptation, but the rewards of a high-performing team are well worth the investment.